Good morning, dear friends. Welcome back to English grammar class. Whereas till the last classes we were discussing about the rules of active voice, passive voice. Definition noticed. Then again, present tense rules we have noticed from active to passive voice when we were changing. Then again, past tense rules we noticed. Then future tense rules also we have noticed. Now in today's class, directly we will jump into examples of active and the passive voice. First, let me take one example, and that one example we will change into other tenses when we are going through the active to passive voice. Let me write down one example so that you can understand it is in which tense and in which tense we need to change it out. For example, Lata sings lovely songs. Okay, Lata sings lovely songs. So this sentence, when we are reading, then definitely we can understand it is in the simple present tense. What is the reason to say it as a simple present tense? Because sings, V1 plus yes, later it is added for the third person singular, and here third person singular is Lata. So definitely we can call it is in the simple present tense. When we are changing it into simple present tense to passive voice, when we are converting, it will become present continuous tense. So here first we need to take object. We should go with the object. So here the object is lovely songs. It is an object. So after the object we should come for the verb or the helping verb. After the object we should come for the HV helping verb. Then again verb form third, then by as a conjunction, and at lastly subject. This is what the formula which we have to use from the active to passive voice. So let me change this sentence into passive voice. It is in the simple present. When I am changing, it will become present continuous tense. So how it will be? Lovely songs. It is in the plural form. Okay, lovely songs. What will be the helping verb? Present continuous tense helping verb what will be? Is, are or am. Which is suitable here? Definitely are. Lovely songs are sing, sang, sung. Lovely songs are sung by Lata. Okay. Instead of Lata, if it is a she, then how it can be? She sings lovely songs. Lovely songs are sung by her. Okay, it is in the present continuous passive. Alright, present continuous passive form. Fine. After this, we shall notice towards the other tenses. We'll go towards the next one. Okay, let me rub it out. Lata is singing lovely songs. Right, this is in the present continuous tense. If I want to change this sentence from the present continuous to passive voice, if I want to change, it will become present continuous plus being. So let us change it out. Lovely songs are being sung by Lata. So this sentence it is in the present continuous active, and this is in the present continuous passive. So extra thing which we have added, that's a being only. Why we have added being here? Because this ing form we have removed from the verb, and this ing, it means the ing form which I have removed from the verb, that I am using soon after the helping verb. So therefore, instead of singing, I am using it as a third form of a verb because it is mandatory to use V3. So before the using, it means soon after the helping verb I have used being form. So being is nothing but a ing formation itself, which already we have discussed in the formulas when we were discussing. So next tense, it is in the present continuous tense. Present continuous to present continuous passive plus being we have added. Then again present perfect tense. So present perfect tense, let me write down the example. Lata. So here when I am using the Lata, whether we should use formations like as the helping verb have or has, that we should understand. Have we have to use for the plural form, and I wherever will be there. It means the first person singular where will be there. There we have to use have. If it is a third person, then there we have to use has itself. Lata has sung lovely songs. Okay, it is in the present perfect active form. If I want to change it out into passive voice, it is going to be, if I want to change this into passive form, it's gonna be Lata has sung lovely songs. It is in the present perfect. So when I am changing into passive voice, it will become present perfect continuous tense. How it will be? Let's see. Lata has been, or sorry, passive voice we have to change. Lovely songs are being sung by Lata. Right? Passive active voice present perfect tense is Lata has sung lovely songs. When I am changing it to passive voice, it will become present perfect continuous tense. So present perfect continuous tense. A passive example is lovely songs are being sung by Lata. Right? Then the last tense, that's a present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous tense. Let me take the move option from here. So let me move out this page up to this. Okay. Present perfect continuous tense. Then present perfect continuous tense, we'll go with the same example. Lata has been singing lovely songs. Okay, Lata has been singing lovely songs. Whether this sentence it will change or not. So as per the rule wise, if you are going, definitely this sentence it will not change. It is not going to change it out. Why it will not change? Because of the two reasons. Reason number one, so being plus being is standing for the ing formations, which we can call expressing about the continuations. Ing we can call for this. Then again v1 plus another ing it is there. So soon after the verb one more ing it is there. So because of this reason, before the verb ing continuation, after the verb ing continuation. So because of these reasons, it is not possible to change it out from active to passive voice. That we have to understand. Okay. So then after the present, we will go with the past tense. Only today we shall see all the tenses it means one examples. In tomorrow's class, the bulk wise we should concentrate towards the examples of active to passive voice. Okay. So simple past tense, let me take simple past tense. Then simple past tense active voice example is Lata sang lovely songs. Lata sang lovely songs. Sing, sang, sung. V1, V2, V3. What we can call for that? So after this, okay, it is in the simple past tense. When we are changing into passive voice, it will become past continuous. So past continuous, if I want to change, how it will be changed? Let's see. Lovely songs were, because plural form, were sung by Lata. Okay, lovely songs were sung by Lata. Simple past tense formula, what it is? Subject plus V2 plus object. Then again passive voice, when we are changing, it will become past continuous tense. Object at first, object plus helping verb. What is the helping verb of a past continuous tense? Was or were. These two are the helping verbs of past continuous tense. I have used here were because songs, plural form it is there. Because of that I have used were here. Then again V3 form, helping verb plus V3 form plus by as a conjunction. At lastly subject we have to use, which is used here. Next one, past continuous. So past continuous tense, same example we will take it out. Lata was, because she is singular, therefore was. Lata was singing lovely songs. If I want to change it out into passive voice, it will become past continuous plus being. Past continuous plus being. Okay, if I want to change it, when we are trying to change it out into passive voice, we have to use being. Let us see that. Lovely songs were being sung by Lata. Okay, lovely songs were being sung by Lata. So here lovely I have taken it as an object first, then afterwards HV, helping verb, then afterwards being, then verb V3, then by as a conjunction we have to use, at lastly subject. Got the formula? Hope you are understanding the things. Let me move out. Let us move the page. Okay, I think this much will be the fine. Okay. So after the past continuous tense, we will go towards the past perfect. Shall go towards past perfect tense. So past perfect tense examples. Lata, okay, Lata had sung lovely songs. Okay, formula C, past perfect tense active voice formula. Subject plus had as a helping verb, then V3, third form of a verb, V3 plus object. Okay, so when we are changing into passive voice, first we have to take object lovely songs. It will change into past continuous, past perfect to past perfect continuous. We are going to change it out. Past perfect continuous. Lovely, lovely songs had been sung by Lata. Okay, object at first, object plus had, we have to use had as a helping verb, had plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Lata had sung lovely songs. When I am changing into past perfect continuous passive voice, it will become past perfect continuous tense. It is going to convert. Lovely songs had been sung by Lata. Okay, then at lastly, the last one of this past tense, that we can call it out as a past perfect continuous tense. So the past perfect continuous tense, let me use. Okay, past perfect continuous tense, which will not change into passive voice. So the sentence, it will remain as it is itself. Lata had been singing lovely songs. It's going to remain as it is itself. We can understand that Lata, it's a verb, then Lata, it's a noun or the subject, what we can call helping verb we have to use. So been plus V1 plus ing, it is there. So been is also indicating for the ing. V1 first form of a verb, it is there. Then again ing is also expressing about the continuation form. Because of this reason, this tense will also not change from the active to passive voice. Hope you are understanding. So this much we shall see in today's class, whereas in next class of ours, in tomorrow's class, we shall concentrate towards many more examples, only the examples. Tense wise we are going to change it out, all around 40 to 45 examples we will notice in tomorrow's class. So please stay with me. Thank you.